I eat the same 3 meals every single week because they make fat loss so much easier. And there's one big reason I never switch them up. The truth is, most women don't struggle to lose weight because they don't know what foods are actually healthy. They struggle because the healthy foods they're eating leave them hungry, craving junk food, and just thinking about food all day. So I'm gonna show you exactly what my go-to meals are and why I eat these on repeat, especially when weight loss is my goal. And the best part is these meals are so easy to make and they each have over 30 grams of protein. They're made with ingredients that are gonna support fat loss, give you more energy, and just help quiet that food noise when you're trying to lean out. And let me stop you right there because I know you're probably thinking, oh, the food's gonna be bland and boring if it's gonna help me lose fat, but you are going to be shocked when you see these. I can't wait to get into these meals with you, but really quick, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and click that like. I do giveaways every week for my subscribers. This week, I'm gonna be giving away my 4-week Hot Body meal plan, and all you have to do is obviously be subscribed and drop a comment down below. Now, bonus points if you turn on your notifications so you don't miss next week's video, because that's where I'm gonna be dropping the winner. I said I eat these meals every week, but to be honest, I eat most of them a few times a week because they're that good. I have a breakfast, lunch, and dinner we're gonna get into. But I think it's important, like if you are someone who is trying to lose fat and you feel like it's been a lot harder than it has to be, I feel you. Going through my 45-pound weight loss journey, I was so confused, frustrated, and honestly feeling like I just didn't have the motivation to ever stick with it. But I realized that it's not about the motivation. It is about finding ways to make it easy, almost impossible to not win, especially when it comes to what you eat. If you saw last week's video, I did a big meal prep with all the groceries I got from my Ralph's grocery haul. So today I'm actually gonna be doing a couple of the meals from that and putting them together so you can see how I actually eat those foods. So that'll be for our lunch and dinner, but first, let's get into the breakfast because it is so good. This meal has 33 grams of protein. It is so easy to make. It's low in fat, low calorie, but it is gonna keep you full and satisfied all morning long. And the best part is it takes 2 minutes to make. These are my famous high protein blueberry pancakes. I love making these on the weekend, but honestly, we make them a couple times a week as well because they're so quick. Like I said, it's about 2 minutes to throw these together. I'm gonna go through their ingredients, but the reason why I love these pancakes is not just because they taste like an indulgent treat, it's what goes into them that actually is going to support your fat loss goals. If you're anything like me, you've probably tried intermittent fasting for fat loss, but the research just shows it's not great for the majority of women. And what happens if you skip out on breakfast is you end up increasing your cravings. And there's actually research that shows if you have 30 grams of protein in the morning, it's gonna reduce your cravings throughout the day, even through the evening, and help you eat less. So getting a good high protein and fiber breakfast, that combo together, is gonna help reduce your cravings, but it also does a lot more. Let's get into the ingredients and I'll break down why each one is so important when you're trying to lose weight. Oats are great because they're a slow digesting carbohydrate and they have that fiber. Fiber is gonna help stabilize your blood sugar level so you don't get those crazy spikes and like ravenous hunger. And it's also just gonna allow you to be feeling more stable throughout the day. Next up, I have 1 scoop of the LSF plant protein. This is the only protein I use. Yes, I created it, but I created it because I had such big tummy issues and nothing else really worked for me. So this one doesn't make me bloated. It's super smooth, it blends in easily, and it tastes really delicious. So I did 1 scoop of this. It has 20 grams of protein and a complete protein. And the problem some people face in the morning, especially if they're skipping meals or they're not eating a complete protein, is they're not feeling that fullness. Protein is going to be a major game changer in helping reduce cravings and suppress your appetite throughout the day. I added 1 teaspoon of baking soda just to help give it that fluff, and then the egg whites. And the egg whites with the protein now take us over 33 grams of protein. And these two combined really give you that volume so you feel like you're having big, decadent, fluffy pancakes when really they're just lean, low-calorie pancakes that are gonna give you everything you need mentally to satisfy those cravings and physically for your body. I added a splash of vanilla, some milk to help get it to the right consistency. Depending on the milk you're using, the portion's gonna vary, so just keep adding a little at a time and blending it up till you get them just right. You cook them up for about a minute on each side and they are good to go. I'm topping them with fresh blueberries to add a little more fiber and volume, antioxidants, and then a sprinkle of hemp seeds, which have omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These are also a complete protein, so adding to that protein even more, and a drizzle of maple syrup. I skipped the butter, we don't need it. If fat loss is our goal, we're gonna get fats other places throughout the day, and you don't really taste it once it gets into the pancake. So little drizzle of real maple syrup. You can also use a sugar-free, but you have a perfect morning morning pancake. Now, getting breakfast right is gonna set you up for success the rest of the day, but if you don't have a solid, balanced lunch and dinner, everything's gonna go right out the window. So for our lunch, this is one that I actually use from leftovers. It makes it so easy. Again, you can't really mess it up, and it is absolutely delicious. I wish you guys could taste these right now. You're just gonna have to make them. This lunch takes 3 minutes to put together. It has 40 grams of protein, and it actually improves your body's ability to burn fat. So this is my famous Lazy Girl Poke Bowl, and it has everything you need if you're trying to improve your metabolism, burn more fat. This is gonna solve it for you. So like I said, if you're not a salmon girl, you could do tuna, you could do tofu, chicken even would be good in this, but salmon has some really amazing benefits. But before I get into those, I have to address all the girls who are scared of carbs, because I was that girl too. You would not catch me eating white rice ever 5 years ago. But white rice for my digestion has actually been really nice because it's a lot easier to digest, and having carbs with fiber, like from a rice, are actually essential, especially if you're eating a high protein diet, because the more you increase your protein, the more things kind of slow down or can get backed up unless you're pairing them with a fiber like a rice to help keep things moving through the gut. I always meal prep a big thing of rice, and then like I said, I air fried that salmon last night, and the salmon itself is such an incredible protein because it's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are not only going to help reduce your craving, it will help decrease inflammation and improve your metabolism and your body's ability to burn fat. Like I said, just eating this is going to help you be burning more fat and losing more weight. The more you eat protein in and of itself, the more you're going to burn, because it takes more energy for your body to break down protein than fats or carbs. So I always recommend a high protein diet, and today's meals alone are going to get you over 100 grams. So I'm gonna show you the dinner in just a second, but let me tell you everything else in here. I added fresh cucumber that's gonna give it that crunch. It also has so much water in it. It's really gonna help with any bloating you might experience in general. So it's a great one to just add in the mix. I put a little sesame seed on top, put my sriracha mayo in there, which is a little bit of avocado mayo, but primarily Greek yogurt and sriracha, adding more protein. Get that all nice and mixed up and drizzle however much you want on there. I usually recommend a tablespoon. I did some fresh ginger, which is great for reducing inflammation. It's gonna help with any stomach or tummy issues you have and help reduce bloating as well. Avocado for some healthy fats and hormone balance, which especially if you're in a caloric deficit, you cannot neglect your healthy fats to keep everything working and your hormones in harmony. The last thing I'll say about this meal is it's gonna help your body better use insulin and help reduce fat storage. So again, eating the right foods, the right meals is actually gonna allow your body to work better for you. Real fast, before we get into the dinner, it's time to announce last week's subscriber giveaway. So I have my random picker generator here. Congratulations to Christina Miras 3418. You won the subscriber giveaway this week. So send me an email, contact@lovesweatfitness.com so I can get you your prize. This dinner is one of those meals that starts making fat loss feel so easy because it stops that like, I need something else feeling you get at night. You know when those late night cravings hit? So if you've eaten meals like the breakfast and lunch throughout the day, you're already gonna help reduce that. But a dinner like this gives me that feeling like I'm eating total comfort food that shouldn't be good for me, but it actually is. I make this one every week because Ryan and Luke both love it. It is so simple. It takes a few minutes to throw together. If you watch my meal prep, again, I meal prepped all these ingredients, and my meal prep is so easy. So if you've ever felt intimidated by it, I do it in about 30 minutes. I share how I do that in those videos. And then you have all the food to throw together meals like this throughout the week. So this one is my unloaded baked potato. It's my own spin on a traditional baked potato, but way better, and it's so delicious. So it basically feels like you went to a restaurant or takeout, but you can have it any night of the week, and that's why I do it all the time, because it just satisfies that need for something a little naughty without having to actually derail my goals. Let's start with the base, which is regular potato and some sweet potato mixed in with skin on. That's gonna give it more nutrients and fiber. I also like regular potato because you can eat so much of it. It gives you a ton of volume, but it's really, really low calorie. So if you're someone, especially when you're first trying to lose weight, trying to lose fat, and you feel hungry all the time, find those foods that are really big in volume like potato. So that's my base layer. I have my roasted broccoli as well. That's just, again, gonna add more volume, more fiber, helping me feel full and avoiding those late night cravings. I did this chicken in the Instapot. It is so basic, but that's why I add the sauce to it. But having a ton of protein at night is gonna improve your sleep. It's gonna help your hormones, your recovery, muscle building, your calorie burn, and it's really, again, gonna help add to that feeling of fullness, satisfaction. So at the end of the night, when you eat your dinner, you're like, okay, I'm done. I will say I like to front load my carbs usually earlier in the day, but one thing that makes fat loss really easy is spreading them out and having some at night, because it's gonna help you sleep a little bit better. It has that consistency throughout the day, so you don't feel like you're missing out on anything, especially when you're first getting started. And you saw, I use barbecue sauce, I put cheese on here, but the key is measuring my toppings so I don't overdo it. That really becomes the problem with most dishes. You're using sugar-filled barbecue sauce. I make mine usually, but I actually just got this unsweetened one. It's one you can buy at most any store from Primal Kitchen. And then I did just a little sprinkle of cheese. I think it was about 6 grams of cheese on top. And then I'm a sour cream girl through and through, but we're gonna swap that for a big dollop of Greek yogurt. Tastes basically the same, but you get more protein and less fat. The only thing missing on this dinner that I might add is a little sprinkle of bacon bits. Now that all 3 meals are done, I've told you a lot of reasons why I eat these on repeat, but I said there was one big one major reason why I never skip these throughout the week. They are high in protein. They take less than 5 minutes to throw together. They're so simple, balanced. They have ingredients that boost your metabolism, help your body burn more fat, help your body to store less fat, balance your insulin. Like, there's so many reasons you should be eating these meals, but I said there was one big reason why I never skip them. And it's honestly really simple. In my own weight loss journey and working with so many women through the years, I've just found that when you are trying to constantly think of new recipes that are healthy, that fit into your goals, it's exhausting and you really quickly start to get off track. It just becomes too easy to go through the drive-thru or grab takeout. So having these meals where I know I'm gonna have something that nourishes my body and feels a little bit indulgent allows me to know that I'm going to stay on track, stick with my goals, and it makes it so easy to start losing fat. So if you're on a weight loss journey, I'm here for you, girlfriend. Start adding these into your weekly rotation. I'm gonna have all the recipes for you on screen and drop down below so you can save them and try them out. Make sure you comment, let me know which one of these is your favorite, and if you do try it, tell me how it goes. And no matter where you're at in your journey, just remember you are more than a body, but you only get one. So take care of her.